The next performers is a Filipino group called the Liwayway Dance Group. The group will perform Sayaw sa Bangko, meaning to dance on events. It started out with a young boy and girl creatively finding a place to dance in a crowded dance floor. Soon other boys and girls joined in and the dance turned into a test of skill and grace requiring balance, strength, and nerve as the dancers encouraged each other to show off. The dance is usually performed during harvest festivals where the young lads get their first taste of the local farm wine. And the next dance will be the Tinikling, the national dance of the Philippines, where dancers mimic the movements of a native long-legged bird tickling, weaving its way between twigs and branches as they dance between rapidly clicking bamboo poles. Ladies and gentlemen, the Sampaguita Dance Group. The Liwayway Dance Group, sorry.